कोकवी पॉपस्टार्स 2 के ऑल इंडिया दौरे का ये है आखिरी पड़ाव। 7th एंड फाइनल सिटी ऑडिशंस इन मुंबई, जहां पहले राउंड में दिखे कई टैलेंटेड सिंगर्स जैसे कि अमनप्रीत, संगीत, गीतांजलि और मंजरी, लेकिन पुणे से आए सुबोध ऑडिशंस मिस कर गए हैं। इस बात से उन्हें पहुंचता है गहरा सदमा और वो भाग पड़ते हैं। सुबोध को दिलासा दिया जाता है और फिर अगली सुबह शुरू होता है मुंबई ऑडिशंस का राउंड 2।
Okay guys, day 3 in Bombay. We've gone through 2 days of initial auditions. We've got one more day, which is round 2, round 3 and round 4. By the end of today, we'll know the finalists in Bombay. Good luck to you all.
पंकज, तुझे आता है कोई हिमाचली गाना?
मैं सुनाता हूँ।
सुना नहीं। बहुत अच्छा पंकज, very nice. Thank you so much पंकज.
I'm a Himachali pop star.
I'm selected again. Yes, and not only. Yes, I'm there.
मुश्किल है प्यारे
मुंबई की एक पॉप स्टार होपफुल सोनी कुंजू।
Kunju would mean you're from South India.
हाँ
And Sony is from Punjab यार.
I'm an Indian यार।
क्या बात बोली है यार.
महाराष्ट्र मला मराठी येते है बाबा।
क्या बात बोली है. इसी बात पे अगले राउंड में come back in the next round. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Fantastic.
I am selected people. I am selected.
We are going to King to shop.
अर्शिता जूरी को इम्प्रेस करना चाहती है अपनी नई लुक से।
Just looking for some sporty outlet, nothing like very, yeah.
जिसके लिए जरूरी है शॉपिंग ट्रिप।
Let's try these two. Let's see. How does it look? Finally, I've decided I'll take this color, my favorite one, and I think it's sporty enough. Cute one, right? Take it. Bye.
ये मेरा दिल यार का
अर्शिता का लुक राइट है,
Thank you Ashita. Can't call you back in the next round.
लेकिन आवाज नहीं।
Performance-wise, I knew I like a little bit, but it's okay. Failure is a step ahead to success.
I think they wanted someone who can dance and perform.
I tried. Up to him luck.
I'm always nervous. It's okay.
I was trying a lot, but
धीरे धीरे मुंबई के उम्मीदवारों की होप्स टूट रही हैं। सुहासी का फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड जानने के लिए जूरी पूछती है कुछ मुश्किल सवाल।
What's your first love, singing or dancing?
I believe dance and music goes together.
Swasi,
Yeah.
there are lots of things you'll have to sacrifice to become what you are going to become. Are you ready to do that?
Yeah?
You can handle the pressure?
Yes.
Come back in the next round.
Yeah, I'm selected. I'm happy. I'm very, very happy.
I got selected.
Yeah, I'm selected. I'm selected.
can't call me for the next round.
It's okay.
मुंबई ऑडिशंस में एक टैलेंटेड म्यूजिशियन है संगीत हल्दीपुर। एक म्यूजिक फैमिली से ताल्लुक रखने वाले संगीत को अपनी काबिलियत पे पूरा भरोसा है।
He's playing a jazz thing with her. Excellent.
You've done 3 months with Shamak, so can you pick a song where you can showcase your dancing a little bit as well?
कोई कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना।
Thank you, Sangeet. Come back in the next round.
I'm gonna be a pop star. I'm telling you right now. I can out dance, out sing, and you know what? I'm gonna out muscle.
ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना।
Mansi, thank you so much. We want to ask you 2 questions. One is, why do you dress up in such a loud fashion?
Well, it's not that I'm personally very loud, but the thing is that since I like all these sequins and stuff, and it looks good on stage sometimes.
It means you agree that you dress up in a loud fashion.
Yeah, definitely I do.
You're a fantastic girl, Mansi. Come back in the next round. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I got selected. Congrats. Great. ये मेरा दिल यार का दीवाना।
The thing is, we are looking at people with fitness.
Yeah.
So, you can dance and sing well. If the fitness is there also, you're on, na? 30 push-ups. 1.
2,
अरे मेहनत कौन करेगी?
3, 4.
क्या कर रहा है?
In the
क्या
next round.
ये सब क्या कर रहा है यार तू? What we were looking for in the second round, you already did in the first round.
First round.
So you
And we
please
know
come
that.
back in the next round.
Quite a different experience.
Well, I'll come back with a new look. Check me out.
इन्हें लगता है कि इनकी हेयर स्टाइल पॉप स्टारडम के लिए सूटेड नहीं। हेयर सलून में एक क्विक ट्रिप और एक नया लुक।
जा अब ना I'll try. No, I don't.
Chal, come on.
I'll try.
Try again? Chal, come on.
अब ना जा अब ना जा अब ना
Nice.
अब
Good,
ना
good,
जा,
good.
अब ना जा.
No one in there, I am sure, can sing sargams, but I can.
जब क्लासिकली ट्रेन्ड सिंगर्स रिजेक्ट होते हैं तो उनमें से कईयों को शौक होता है
I've learned classical music for 6 years.
और अपना रिजेक्शन अनफेयर ठहराते हैं।
Now my main ambition in my life is gonna be to really make repent these guys. I'm gonna make them repent. Within a year or so, I'm gonna do it. Believe me. They have done a big mistake by not selecting me. I can assure you that.
बेंगलोर ऑडिशन में मैथ्यू का रिजेक्शन हुआ था उनकी नॉन परफॉर्मेंस की वजह से। इस गलती का सुधार वो करते हैं मुंबई में, एक जानदार परफॉर्मेंस।
Matthew, stop. Matthew, wait. Stop. Is this what I told you to do? Take your guitar, please.
इतना सब करने के बाद भी मैथ्यू जूरी को इम्प्रेस नहीं कर पाए। क्यों? क्या यहाँ भी मैथ्यू को हार का सामना करना पड़ेगा? जानिए इस ब्रेक के बाद।
Is this what I told you to do? Take your guitar, please.
मुंबई में हो रहे कोकवी पॉपस्टार्स 2 के ऑडिशंस में मैथ्यू को टोक रहे हैं पलाश।
सब कुछ करो। This is not what I told you to do, right? Whatever I told you, you've done much more than what I told you. Come in.
ज्यूरी का फैसला सुनकर मैथ्यू की जान में जान आती है।
राउंड 2 पॉपस्टार्स 2 का आज अंत हो गया है।
Time for us to go in group, put them into pairs, group the contestants. What we're going to do is we're going to put you guys in pairs, okay? And what we're going to look for is how much you'll support each other, how much together you'll work as a team, because at the end of the day we are forming a band.
मुकाबला है कड़ा और परिणाम है सख्त। कई होपफुल्स को लौटना पड़ता है।
हो किसी होटल में खाए।
Amanpreet can't call you back in the next round.
Well, I think I didn't dance well, to be very honest.
I think I didn't get selected.
मुझको आवाज दो, छुप गए हो सनम, तुम कहाँ मैं यहाँ, तुम कहाँ। ओ मेरे हम सफर प्यार की राह पर साथ चले हम मगर क्या।
First of all, let me congratulate both of you for making it to this round, okay? But you're going to have to go. We can't call you back for the next round.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Thanks so much. Thank you. I wish I had good news for you. Yeah? But I think we have great news for you. You're coming back.
Thank you so much. We're selected! किसी डिस्को में जाएं,
किसी होटल में खाए।
Ding 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 ding.
we both are selected.
ओ मेरी राम कली मैं तुझ पे दिलो जान से मरता हूँ।
हो गए सिलेक्ट हो गए। I got selected for the last round. अच्छा।
We've shortlisted 25 people. We're getting closer to the finalists in Bombay. Do we know who they are?
और आखिरकार ज्यूरी के सामने लाइन अप होते हैं मुंबई के फाइनल प्रोस्पेक्ट्स। अब समय है ज्यूरी के आखिरी ऑडिशन रिजल्ट का। इस नतीजे से पूरी होगी ऑल इंडिया फाइनलिस्ट्स की टैली।
We're going to call out your laminate numbers. As we call out your number, you've got to walk out of the gate you came in from please don't look back. The first person I'll ask to leave is M1388.
M1294.
F1169.
M1455.
They are eliminating people.
F1074.
M1521.
F1193.
M1417.
F1284.
They're so amazing.
M1261. F1207.
You like recording people crying?
लेकिन रिजेक्टेड लोगों में शामिल हैं मुंबई के सबसे ब्राइट टैलेंट्स। ये किस किस्म का फैसला किया है ज्यूरी ने? Will the best be left out?
I didn't get through, man. I'm very sad. I came all the way from Bangalore.
Find out when Coke We Popstars 2 returns after this break. Coke We Popstars 2 के आखिरी सिटी ऑडिशंस का आखिरी मोड़, ज्यूरी के रिजल्ट्स।
All of you were very good. There's no denying that.
And you reached the final round,
reached the final round.
which is again quite commendable. So,
But for the time being, all I would like to say is that just go and have a good time because you are the finalists from Bombay.
जो समझ रहे थे वो रिजेक्ट हुए हैं, एक्चुअली हुए हैं सिलेक्ट। खुशी और हैरत का जबरदस्त रिएक्शन। लेकिन इससे पहले ऑडिशन रूम में बचे इन लोगों की उम्मीदों को तोड़ना बहुत मुश्किल था।
Okay guys, all of you are the losers from Bombay. The guys who've been sent out are the winners and the finalists. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for coming.
thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
I'm feeling really bad. I've come from Lucknow to Mumbai. I've not been selected. It's really.
I think they were really good who were selected.
I'm the loser, man. The loser me.
रोना नहीं, गंदी बात। नहीं गंदी बात है। टीवी में दिखाया ना, हमारी सारी फ्रेंड ट्विंकल रो रही थी, रोते नहीं, गंदी बात नहीं बेटा, नहीं रो, गंदी बात।
I am very good. I know I am very good. And being good, if you're not selected, then that's really something. But I am shocked because the other girls who are selected are not better than me.
और ये रहे मुंबई के पॉप स्टार होपफुल्स। इन नामों के साथ होता है एक लंबे सफर का अंत।
Thank you.
लेकिन ज्यूरी के लिए असल काम अब शुरू होता है, ज्यूरी वॉच, जहां 7 शहरों के फाइनलिस्ट्स के ऑडिशन टेप्स जांचे परखे जाएंगे और इनमें से चुने जाएंगे फाइनल राउंड कंटेस्टेंट्स जिन्हें आना होगा मुंबई।
Channel V, Coke V Popstars 2, Jury Watch, Jury Watch.
Fantastic, please go ahead. She looks nice. She sings. Has a niceness about him.
I'm very confident about the way he was speaking also.
Nice, but okay. Now we have. Yeah, please. Come on, yeah. Come on, yeah. Don't talk about his age.
Okay, let's move on. Let's move on.
Bangalore, huh? Okay. Next city, please.
कोई कहे
The petrol pump guy.
क्या बात है?
Maybe I stated it wrong. I stated it in a wrong way.
That's what I'm saying.
In a wrong way.
Very good singer.
Piya tu.
Very good singer.
Nirali.
Well, we've not looked at any guys in Ahmedabad, honestly.
Unfortunately, no, but we always knew the girls stood out.
So now we have. Now when I come on. Next. Arey, the man.
रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना.
Oh yes.
Okay.
Yes.
शोला सामन बहके आके.
It's amazing, no? Pathankot, Himachal Pradesh, people playing guitars and making their own songs, yeah? Anybody would be.
Chandigarh's over.
I'll just keep taking the names. Both of you tell me yes or no, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now we've gone through 3 cities.
Yeah.
And we have 7 sure shots and a few question marks.
Question marks, yeah.
And now we are coming on to the city which actually is going to confuse us a lot. Yeah, let's go, please.
Let's start with the first
Delhi.
star.
He's on for me.
He's on for?
He's on. This mark is on.
For me. Oh,
great. Yes.
सांसों में तूफान है.
One guy.
I think he should definitely be thrown out. I think he should definitely be out.
He's a full performer.
Oh,
God,
Michelle is on. Michelle is on.
Okay.
Vasudha.
ज्यूरी का काम है बड़ा मुश्किल. After all, each city had its bright sparks, and it's hard to leave any of them out.
We start with everybody else is definitely on.
Fine.
Okay, fine. Now, so we are through with Delhi. From Delhi, we actually come to the weakest city, which we found even when we were choosing the finalists.
Lucknow.
And Lucknow didn't have that amazing kind of talent.
ओ हमदम, ओ जानिया.
He actually moves like Devanand.
Yeah.
Okay, the names. So now we go to the next city.
Lucknow's done?
Yeah.
Well, you can tell by the way you use my walk, I'm a woman's man. No time to talk.
See, this really makes you want to move.
Yeah. He's so comfortable with his body.
He's very likable.
He's very comfortable with his body. Next, please. Mrinmay, 31, mother, married.
My only problem is her child.
Oh, हमदम सुनियोरे.
See, the biggest thing about Rohan was that his confidence in his ability. Everybody question mark for everybody. The maximum people who we chose, potential guys for the band, after seeing people from 6 cities, is actually from Bombay.
Incredible. Let's check it out. Bombay.
Has everything besides the fact that he does. Good singer, sings with the band, sings in a lounge. Okay, Manjari. Great look, very nice look.
I'm not convinced of the
But you see,
he looks very bichara to me. I don't know why. He comes across in every way, but he's looking very like.
Okay, here's a boy that comes from a small town from Shimla, has a great talent to play.
Immensely
Sings
talented.
very well and a very good look. Yeah.
Very good.
Oh man, he was a guy who came and played Mithwa and with such jazz chords.
One of the best fields.
Next, yeah, please.
प्यासे प्यासे सुहासी का क्या बोले.
Bombay is done.
Okay, so guys, we've come to the end of the Bombay finalists also, and I'm not going to take the names of all the people we thought had a potential. You guys say yes, no.
फाइनल 25 को चुनना कोई आसान काम नहीं. घंटों के डिस्कशंस और इन डेप्थ एनालिसिस के बाद ही कोई नतीजा निकल
So
पाएगा.
guys, we have the next pop star band in our hands right now.
आइए एक झलक कोकवी पॉप स्टार्स 2 में आए टैलेंट्स की. कन्नड़ा फिल्म्स के प्लेबैक सिंगर अविनाश क्या फाइनल 25 में आ सकेंगे? आयुष्मान खुराना पर हैं उसकी सारी फैमिली की होप्स. क्या होगा शादीशुदा मृण्मयी का, जयपुर से आए जिमी का, और फाइनली मुंबई में इनमें से किसका बैंड बजेगा? अमित या अशोक? म्यूजिशियन संगीत या गिटारिस्ट पंकज? हजारों ऑडिशंस में से शॉर्टलिस्ट हुए 25 नाम. द काउंटडाउन हैज बिगन. किसे बुलाया जाएगा मुंबई फाइनल इंटेंसिव ऑडिशन के लिए और किसके पॉप स्टार सफर का होता है अंत? देखिए कोकवी पॉप स्टार्स 2 का अगला रोमांचक एपिसोड रविवार रात 8 बजे. वैसे आपको क्या लगता है अब किसका बैंड बजेगा?
Hello.